Hi, we're here at Foster's Sheep Farm. We're here for their open house. It's a beautiful Sunday. Tina's here from Alaska. We're going to show her a real sheep farm.
Hello, my name's Tom Foster, and my wife Carol and I own this farm, and we're happy to host this shearing day and hope everybody here is having a good time and goes away learning something about sheep and the wool process. Thank you very much.
Oh, we had a great time here at Foster's Farm. They're shearing sheep, and there was alpaca and llamas and Angora rabbits. It was fun. They're a very interesting process. The girl that was shearing had been all over, including New Zealand, shearing sheep. She travels from farm to farm, which was very interesting. We went in the yarn shop. They've done a great job trying to restore this farm and are trying to spruce it up even more. You know, we have a nice cup of hot cider, Awesome yarn, ready to go to Saratoga for lunch.
I never seen a sheep sheared.
Now you've seen them shorn.
So what was your joke that you said about
I said the sheep don't say bad, they say brr.